are the early stage researchers of the Zephyr project. The aim of our project is to investigate emerging technologies for a more efficient exploitation of wind energy resources. And in this video, we present a didactic demonstrator that we built together to explain in simple words the main outcomes of our research, the impact that this could have on lives and society. The objective of the demonstrator is also to reduce the gap between the scientific community and the general public. With this in mind, during our research, we asked ourselves, what is the impact of the local terrain effects and the atmospheric variability on the wind turbine performance, structural dynamics, and the noise emissions? And since we studied a wide variety of topics, we divided our demonstrator into two main parts. One is the rural part and then an urban part focused on a more urban setting. And we will describe these two parts separately.
The energy demand from renewable resources is constantly increasing, and we are already installing wind turbines closer to hilly terrain or inhabited places. For this reason, we studied the effect of the landscape, represented here by a mountain and by the forest, on the wind characteristics. For example, the wind speed and the wind direction affects the noise emission and the performance of the turbine. The performance of the turbine affects, of course, the energy harvested. Thanks to innovative methods, we can simulate the characteristics of the wind, the performance of the turbine, and the noise produced.
Wind in urban areas is perceived as nuisance. However, researchers just like us, architects, startups, and urban planners were investigating how to use urban wind for producing wind energy. And in our project, we studied different designs of wind turbines that can be placed in urban areas. For instance, vertical axis wind turbines, nature-based wind turbines, and what else?
Building integrated wind turbines.
We also studied wind flow in dense urban areas, focusing on how urban design and urban planning affects wind flow in cities. But on the other hand, we also studied how the integration of wind turbines in the urban environment will affect planning and design of cities in the future. Finally, we also focused on how by placing wind turbines in parks, on rooftops, and in other places in cities, we can locally produce and consume energy.